if you want to be prepared for pretty much any situation in your house, when you're out camping or doing whatever, you're going to want to take a look at this first aid kit. I tell you everything you need to know about it and everything that comes inside. One of the best parts about this is it comes with this first aid guide. This guide, I'll show you close up, guide you through everything you need to know. A couple things about this. This is waterproof. It does have zippers. It can be hung up. You'll see you have two mounts right over here that you could hang it up on. It also has two snaps right over here that if you wanted to snap these off and put it on a backpack or something like that, you could do that. This is the actual guide right over here. You can see here there's room for notes in the back, and then you have all the different things. You have burns, eye injuries. Really like how this is color coded and it corresponds to what is in the kit. So to open this kit up, we're just going to unzip it just like this. Everything is color coded in here, which is really nice. You're going to get 250 pieces. So it's basically everything you could possibly need. So you have stuff for wounds and lacerations. You have stuff over here for eye pads, eye trauma. We got some glow sticks in here. This is kind of like cold packs and that kind of stuff. Over here, we got bandages. We got stability aids. This thing has wound dressings, CPR kit. We got some scissors up here, burn care stuff, gloves. This thing has everything. And the cool part about it too, you'll see there's over 250 items in here that basically has everything you could possibly need for pretty much any situation. And the best part about it, it just folds up really nice. It's super compact. This is something you can keep in the car. This is something we keep in our house. So if something happens, we could easily do whatever we want. And again, it doesn't take up a lot of space. Has a handle here. It could be put on a backpack. Just overall, a really, really great first aid kit. I've gotten some of these in the past and they are not as in depth, and I've never come across one that comes with a guide. So if you're looking for a great first aid kit, definitely check this one out. And a huge thanks to the brand for sending this over so I could do this review.